Hello guys, welcome back. In last video, I told you topic bank reconciliation statement. Today, I will discuss with you one practical problems related to your book. Dear students, that problem number 1 from your book. Regime Limited maintain a current account with State Bank of India on 31st March 2010. The bank column of its cash book showed a debit balance of 1,54,300. Bank column cash book showed debit balance. It means debit balance as per cash book. That's your format. Debit balance as per cash book. That's your plus item. It showed debit in your bank account. It's plus item. However, the bank statement showed a difference balance on that date. The following were reasons for the difference. Bank statement show different balance. First different reason is deposit but not yet created by bank. Deposit sent to bank for collection but not collected by bank. If you check sent to bank for collection, then you increase the cash book but not credited by bank, then passbook retains same. For reconcile, you should decrease the cash book and that's your minus item. So you should less check deposited but not credited by bank. 75,450. Next, check issued but not presented for payment. 80,760. If you issue the check, then you decrease the cash book but not presented for payment, then passbook retains same. For reconcile, you should increase the cash book and it's your plus item. A. Check issued but not presented for payment. Plus item 80,760. Next, bank charge expense not recording cash book. It's debit by the passbook, then decrease in passbook. Not recording cash book written same. To reconcile it, you should minus the cash book and it's your minus item. Bank charge, it's number 1, it's number 2, it's number 3. Bank charge not recording cash book. Then you will minus the cash book and it's your minus item. 1,135. Next, check received by bank directly from the debtor, means customer. Customer directly deposit in our bank account. It's increase in the passbook, but the cash book retains same. For reconcile, you should increase the cash book. Then it's your plus item. Check received by bank directly from customer. It's your plus item. 1,35,200. Insurance premium paid by bank as per standing instruction but not recording cash book. Insurance premium paid by bank. It decrease in passbook but cash book remains same. Then for reconciliate, you should decrease the cash book. Insurance premium paid by bank, not recording cash book. That's your minus item 15,400. Last, dividend collected by bank but not recorded in cash book. Dividend income collected by bank, then your passbook will increase. Cash not recording cash book retains same. To reconcile it, you should increase the cash book. Number 6. Dividend collected by bank, not recording cash book. It's your plus item 1,000. First of all, total of both column 0, 6, 10 over 12, 10 over 11, 6, 14, 17, 3. Here 5, 8, 9, 1, 9. Your balance retain 5, 7, 2, 9, 7, 2. It's your plus item. And here cash book, then in answer is another passbook. But passbook debit plus item is credit balance. Then you will write credit balance as per passbook. Credit balance as per passbook. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.